Hello, my name is Deepak Bandyopadhyay, and I'm going to describe the session that we want to present at ODSC 2019. This is a session by myself and my colleague at J&J, Adam Fermier. So the session is going to be titled "It's Only Words: Building and Deploying an Innovative Text Analytics Environment to Improve Clinical Trial Quality." So in this title, you can unpack it a few ways. You can think about the text analytics, which is at the core of the environment that we are going to be talking about and describing. We can talk about the clinical trial quality, which is the business use case. We don't want to focus too much on that since we want the talk to be seen as applicable to other industries which have a lot of free text data that needs to be unlocked, not just pharma. Um, and we are going to be really going into detail on the process on how we built and how we deployed the engine, the environment. So we were a small team of data scientists coming in to a large established pharmaceutical company, and we were embedded within the business, and our goal was to really unlock this data. So we are going to discuss how this was done, um, starting with setting up our analytics framework with three components, really the aggregation, the analytics itself, mostly text analytics, and then the publication. So the aggregation was done using some data wrangling code written in R Shiny, and that's going to be described, especially the use of the R Markdown framework to make the data transparent, make the transformations on the data transparent, and the use of the dplyr package and the tidyverse, etc., to make the code really easy to extend and to almost self-documenting. So the second piece was the text analytics piece. This was done using again an R Shiny stack, using lots of text mining, topic modeling type libraries. So some of the techniques we explored include word frequencies and word clouds, topic modeling, uh, text searching, word vectorization, etc. So lots and lots of different techniques under this umbrella were explored, and we want to be reporting on some of our results on that. We want to also take it from beyond just text analytics into some machine learning based on the features discovered by text analytics, which is some ongoing work now. The third piece that we want to talk about is the publication piece, and this was done using Drupal. And it's really the use of Drupal has as a publication layer has helped us to really embed seamlessly both analytics and documentation, videos, etc., about the analytics in a technology agnostic way for the user, and to really allow our users who are typically business users and not technical users to interact with us and to interact with our insights coming from the analytics. So we'll try to bring this all together. I hope we can convince you to come to this talk, whether or not you are in pharma, whether or not you are doing text analytics right now, and teach you about an interesting use case that we have come up with, an interesting environment that we have set up that could be applicable more broadly. And we really want to hear your perspectives and your insights about this, and we want to learn from you as well, since we are experienced data scientists, have been doing this for many years, but there are new technologies we probably want to learn about and use and make applicable to this problem. So thank you very much for your attention.